Good day everyone. Today I want to share how do I replace the cabin air filter on my car. Most cars are similar. I'm gonna use the most popular Toyota Corolla as an example to share how to replace the cabin air filter. First, open the glove box. When we come to the side, we could see here is a click. You don't need any tools, just use the hand to pull it. You see, pull it out. And on the top of the glove box, there are two places can block, and one is here and the other one is on right here. We have to push both sides, this side and this side, inwards together in order to get it off. For Corolla, we don't need to take it off. If you pull it, you can take this glove box off completely. But for me, I already got enough space to reach the cabin air filter here. This is also a click. Push and pull. You get this out. Now we can pull the air filter out. Let's check the old air filter. It shows up. And it's very dirty. We could see the leaves in the gap. This is the old one. Now I bought this one I bought the Bosch APT07 only $30 from Super Cheap Auto. Let's take this out. And we have the airflow down, but we don't have the up or down sign as the old one. The old one shows up here, which means from the dirty surface we could notice that the air actually flow from the top to the bottom. So when it comes the new one, you see the airflow, do it like this. The airflow from the top going down. Keep the airflow down and then put it in. Put the new air filter, pay attention to the airflow, and put back the cover. Push down. That's it. Last, put back the glove box. Pay attention to here and the right side. And put back this clip. Okay, done.